So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to save live wallpaper on TikTok. So let's get it started. So let's open it. Now you can see the option of profile picture on the lower corner of right side, so you should have to tap on it. Then tap on three line which is available on the top right corner of your screen. Then tap on settings and privacy. Now scroll down below and you will see the option of wallpaper, so tap on it and tap on find wallpapers. Then see, now you can tap on share icon which is available on the lower corner of right side. Then scroll down and you can see the option of set as wallpaper, so tap on it. Then you should have to download plugin app, then your wallpaper will be automatically generated on your TikTok live and in gallery also. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.